Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your microphone is not working on Google Meet. So in this video I'm actually going to show you guys how you can basically troubleshoot this issue within Google Meet itself and within Google. So basically we already assume that your microphone is working over on your computer itself. So yeah, basically if you're using an iMac or Windows, doesn't really matter for this video. I'm going to show you guys how you can fix it. So yeah, the first thing what you want to do is just head over to Google Meet, and once you've done that, you want to go to that search bar right here. Once you've done that, you will find that lock icon basically next to the URL, as you guys can see. And what you want to do is you want to click on that lock icon basically. And once you've done that, you will right here find microphone. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that microphone is actually enabled. So if it's disabled like this, just make sure to enable it and then you're good to go. Now if that's already enabled, then what you can also do is head over to the settings, just like this. Once you've done that, head over to audio right here, and then you will find microphone right here. Once you've done that, you can literally select any microphone you want for Google, basically for Google Meet. But yeah, make sure you select the microphone that you're actually using. So when you're, for example, using an external microphone, then what you need to make sure to do is select that exact microphone, because otherwise it will still not be working, and that's really important. Now if you've already done that as well, what you can then do is head to a new tab, just like this. And basically once you've done that, you can go to the top right corner of your screen and head over to settings, just like this. Once you've done that, go to the left side of your screen at privacy and security. And what you then need to do is type in microphone, just like this. Once you've done that, click on site settings right here, and then click on microphone right here. And what you need to make sure to do is that it says sites can ask to use your microphone. It's really important that this is set to sites can ask you for your microphone, otherwise it will not work. What you also need to do is select your default microphone here as well. So make sure to select the microphone you are using. And what you also want to make sure to do is that allowed to use your microphone, that the website, so for example Google Meet right now, wants to use our microphone. It's really important that Google Meet is actually displaying right here. And you can just add that by basically allowing it right here. And that's basically all I have for you guys right now. So let me know down in the comments below if this video helped you out. And if it did, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.